Now let's see what I'm going to draw this time. Here I'm going to draw a hippo and a bird is sitting on its back. Now let's color this hippo using pink and brown color and this bird using a yellow color. Beautiful. Now let's proceed with this drawing. So here I'm going to draw a cute kitten which is holding a heart. Now let's color it using pink and red color. Beautiful. See how simple it is? Just you need a pencil or a black marker and a white paper and then you are good to draw. So here I have drawn another crocodile. Now let's color it using green and yellow color. Beautiful. Now let's proceed with another drawing. So here I'm going to draw a bunny. Let's draw its face. Now its big ears and now color it using pink color and for eyes use blue color.